Good morning everyone. Today we are heading to Dehradun from Rishikesh. Everything is packed. I'm so excited.
So I'm a city guy. I'm probably the opposite of every spiritual person out there who's like, I got to escape into nature. I can't be in the city. I love the city. So when I'm in a place like Rishikesh, a smaller, developing place, I need to get back to city life. So we decided we're taking 2 weeks. We're going down to Dehradun. We don't know what it's about, but we do know they have movie theaters and malls, things we love to do. So we are ready to check out. Head to the city, baby. Let's go. Now, when we first got to our apartment in Rishikesh, there were some problems. The bed was just super uncomfortable and the couch as well. That's why sometimes I don't like to rent Airbnbs because I want to make sure it's comfortable. But I complained to them, and literally that day they ordered us a new bed and couch that was delivered from Delhi that night. Truly amazing service. There were other problems with the internet, but it's the internet in town because they're ripping out all the electrical wires. Overall, we enjoyed our stay, and they did apologize. They are new to renting, so they were growing with us, but just amazing service. So I will definitely give them that. Now, normally it would cost about 2,200 rupees, a little under $30 to get a taxi from Rishikesh to Dehradun. But our yoga teacher and now friend, he's my brother, Ajit, he offered to actually borrow someone's car and drive us an hour and a half. Amazing. One of the most amazing people, souls I've ever met in this world. I felt so bad, but he offered and he wouldn't take no for an answer. Had to stop for some sugarcane juice, and you're probably thinking that can't be good for you, but it's actually great for you. It gives you energy, it helps with hydration, it offers small amounts of minerals like potassium and calcium, and it's great for digestion.
There is a time to drink this sugarcane, and there is another time when you drink this the coconut water. There is another different time where you find a fruit which we call bale. There is that much short-put type fruit, and you need to cut that down, drink that thing during the May and June time. That helps you a lot to ease down your system.
And of course, Dhananjani loves it too. It is high in sugar, so do drink in moderation. Dehradun is the capital of Uttarakhand, a state in northern India nestled in the foothills of the Himalayas between the Ganges and the Yamuna rivers. Known for its scenic beauty, pleasant climate, and lush green surroundings, it's a very popular destination for nature lovers and trekkers. It's also a major educational hub. It's actually the education center of North India, and it's home to prestigious institutions like the Dune School and the Forest Research Institute, which you will see in an upcoming video. Rich in colonial history and culture, it serves as a gateway to hill stations like Mussoorie, which we'll be going to, and spiritual sites like Rishikesh and Haridwar. I was actually told that this is where India's elite would send their children for university. And we're finally here. And truth be told, a big reason why we came here is Rishikesh is a big vegetarian place. It's mostly all 99.9% vegetarian. And after being vegan and vegetarian for so many years and starting to eat meat and fish again, and then having it kind of taken away, really needed it. And we needed a modern apartment to get work done. So we planned on originally staying here for about a week. But once we saw the apartment, we knew we'd be here for 2 weeks, maybe a little more. That's the plan right now. So let's get the key, go inside, and check out our new place. Hopefully it's great. And it is. Nice and cozy, nice kitchen where we could cook. We always do like to get Airbnbs when we're staying somewhere more long term because we do cook. There's some great food to eat out, but sometimes you just need to, especially when we're working from home, we need to cook and not go out because we end up leaving the apartment and we go eat and we're out all day. We can't go out for for an hour. We end up going to the mall and we're there for like 4 hours because the wife likes to shop. I like to shop a little too, but yeah, you look at this place, it's nicely designed. You know, most of the time you get Airbnbs and the walls are white, it's just plain. But Jyotsna, who's our landlord now, she has decorated this place, her and her husband, just beautifully. Comfortable beds. I ended up paying a little extra to get the second bedroom opened up because we actually sometimes prefer sleeping in separate bedrooms because Dhananjani does not like AC or the fan when she's sleeping, and I love it. So it actually, I don't see why all couples don't just get separate bedrooms. Sometimes it's for the better, you know? It's not like we're sitting there on top of each other when we're sleeping. But look at that view right there. That's where we're at. And down below, you see Ajit emptying the car. He doesn't let me do anything. That's the thing about here in India. It's like everybody wants to do everything for you. We have arrived, Dehradun. I never thought I'd be so excited to get to Dehradun, India, but we need a little break from Rishikesh. We need a little city. So here we are. We're about to go out exploring. We're going to go get some delicious non-veg food. We're going to go to the mall. We're going to go to the movies, all the things we love and miss. So let's rock, baby. Look at that smile right there. Look at that cutie. She's not so bad herself. Nah, I'm just kidding. So yeah, we're walking to go explore, get something to eat.
Of course, yes.
I had to stop for a new screen protector for my phone because I had the privacy one and it's terrible. 350 rupees, that's a little over $4, and that's the high-end one. Like that flat surfaces and I have to walk up and down here. Look at that beautiful fruit right there. Just tons of fruit vendors on the street. People selling food, all kinds of things. And speaking of food, here we are, our first meal, Tenzin Kitchen, the taste of Nepal. Now, we were literally just talking the other day about how much we miss Nepali Thali or Khana.
Yeah.
A little ginger lemon honey to start our meal, something we get everywhere. And this is Khana. The green is actually dal. It's lentils, and the red, we both got pork because I was really in the mood for some pork after not having it for a few months. And you got some bitter gourd. You got two different types of potatoes. That crispy potato is amazing. So let's eat and see how it is. What you do is you put a little dal on top of the rice. You're going to drop some pork on top. Like so. And then you just dig in. With your hands, of course. You mix it together and boom. Yep. Good. Spicy bitch. Yes, she does eat raw green chilies just like that. And then after our meal, they give you some, I think it has fennel and different fruits in it. Delicious to help with digestion. I don't know, but it's good. And of course, here we are at Pacific Mall. I got our apartment close to here because they have a movie theater. And I come to find out that all of the movies are in Hindi with no English subtitles, except for Snow White, which isn't really our thing. We decided to end the night by getting some pizza and going home, watching some TV. Now, you would think as a New Yorker, I'd be like, nah, pizza in India. But everywhere we've been, I've had some great pizza. So, threw on a little Raising Hope, ate some pizza, and day one in Dehradun is done. If you are from Dehradun or you've been here and have some suggestions for us, please hit us up in the comments.